Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing some of the hair care products that I have recently bought. Not recently bought, I've been using for some time, and I just wanted to do a quick review of the products and let you know my verdict on those products. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Start reviewing the products and showing you what I have. I just wanted to let you guys know that for the longest time I had hair which was chemically treated, and as you all know that a straightened chemically treated hair lasts for a year, and after that your natural hair tends to grow, and so that's what exactly happened with me. But there's a lot of damage that also happens with the chemical treatment. Sometimes your hair becomes too rough, it just becomes too frizzy and rough at the same time. So till now I have done only 2 times chemical treatment on my hair, and once was in 2016 and it lasted till 2017, and once was in 2019 which lasted till 2020. The 2020 October is when the year completed, and after that my hair was pretty much growing out, and I had my frizzy hair was back, so I decided to shorten my hair. So I kind of cut the length of the hair so that it's easier to nourish and manage. So after that I have been trying a lot of products because I wanted to be sure that which product suits my hair the most. When my hair was chemically treated, my go-to shampoo was the Matrix Long and Silky, the Silk and Smooth one, I'm forgetting the name, it was that, and I used religiously that shampoo for a year, and but I felt that that shampoo kind of worked well with the straightened hair, but it's not the same when you have your normal hair back. So for that I went online, researched a few products, and honestly there were a few products that were there that everybody was using, and I was very curious to use them as well. So I chose a few and I started using them. So by one I'll show you the products that I have been using, and I'll tell you exactly the list that they feature in and the ranking. So I'll just go from the bottom to the top, and yeah, so let's start the video. So the first product that I have is this is from Body Shop. The shampoo is Shea Butter. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, this is the shampoo. Is for dry hair prone to damage, and that's why I bought it. The formula, it says, is 100% vegan, and if you see their ingredient list, it doesn't have any paraben or sulfate. So when you use this shampoo, unlike other normal shampoo, it doesn't create a lot of lather in your hair. It's kind of the paraben free shampoo types. But if I have to rate this shampoo and how it worked on my hair, I would say it didn't make any difference to my hair. Rather, I was feeling that my hair became more it was just the same, and it became more dry, because what I was expecting from the Shea Butter was that it would kind of moisturize and nourish my, and it would become soft. It was my expectation, but that didn't clearly happen. So as you can see, I have used this one pretty religiously, and that's why I can tell you that this didn't work for me. I even bought their conditioner as well, but I don't think I will ever buy this again, because it kind of did not work on my hair. Moving to the second product that I have, it's the Wow Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. I'm sure we are quite aware of the Wow range and the innumerable number of advertising campaign we can see on YouTube, on TV as well now. So I was quite intrigued by their onion range and all of that, and so I just wanted to try this. So I bought this anti-dandruff shampoo, which is pure and natural, and it has tea tree essential oils and cedarwood. Helps clear itchy, scaly, flaky scalp, helps restore health, shine and bounce to hair. And it also says that it doesn't have any paraben or sulfate or silicones. But when I used it on my hair, honestly, I bought it during winter and I've used it till here. I don't know if you can see, it's still here. I used it, and you know, I don't need too much of this product as well, but why it's the second most bottom product on my list is because I really did not face the problem of dandruff during winter, and I kind of used this that time religiously in the month of December and January. I remember I was using it with the other shampoo, so I'm happy that at least it saved my scalp from the irritating dandruff. But did it do any bounce? It's like they claim it helps restore health, shine and bounce to hair. I'm not sure that happened with me, but definitely the dandruff part was taken care of. Now we move to the third product, and I just wanted to let you know that I have 4 products in total. The third product on my list is the L'Oreal Hair Spa. It's a smoothing cream bath with water lily for thick and rebellious hair. This product, and I can show you how much I have used it. I hope you can see that I've used it quite a lot. It smells so nice. This one I have been using for a long time now, and it's almost 8 months now I've been using it, and I would like to say that this one really worked on my hair, and my hair felt really soft, and I'm not so sure with the paraben and everything that the others claim. It's not something that they even claim here, so it's not that they are paraben free. And anyway, it's like a hair spa or a conditioner. It really deeply conditions your hair, and your hair is all smooth and soft, and it feels great. So I think this product really worked for me. But this is a hair spa thing, so I used it with another shampoo, and while conditioning I used this. I think I'm quite happy with the results basically, and I feel my hair looks different when I use this. So definitely when this gets over, I am going to buy it once in a while to get my hair spa done at home. I just kind of wet my hair and then I apply it. I'm sure you all know how to apply this, but I'm just letting you know what I did. So just wet your hair, apply it, and I leave it for around half an hour or 40 minutes, and then I take a shower, and then that's it. And sometimes even after a shampoo, I used this as a conditioner, left it for 5 to 10 minutes, and that was just pretty much awesome. That was just it, and it worked, and I'm kind of happy with this product. So definitely when it gets over, I'm going to buy it. Now moving to the most favorite product in my list right now, which I think I am obsessed about, and I wanted to show you that at the last. And that's something I genuinely wanted to try for a long time, but I wasn't sure whether I should go for it because it's quite expensive. I mean, 1,000 rupees for a shampoo is not something that I would genuinely always spend on, but I really was concerned about my hair quality, so I wanted to use it. And it's not that the shampoo only costs you 100,000 rupees. It's a shampoo, conditioner and a hair mask. So the product that I'm talking about is Bare Anatomy. I don't know if you guys know about this brand, and as you can see, they give you personalized bottles, right? So you can see my name is written on the bottle, and that's quite a cool thing, I would say. And this also comes with the hair mask. if you've ever visited their website or if you are using their products already, you would know that they kind of customize the solution and product according to your hair quality and what you want to achieve with your hair. So I went to their website and I kind of filled in all the details. I noted about my hair quality, what kind of solution I want, what kind of hair quality I want to achieve, and with all that they suggested me this. So I've been using this for quite some time now and I can vouch for this product, and my hair definitely, it feels more soft and manageable, and it, you know, my hair feels healthy, which is something I was looking for a long time. For this product, it's absolutely paraben free and sulfate free. So the thing is that you have to take very small amount and you will not get any lather whatsoever. So don't be amazed that you're not getting that usual frothiness. For this product, we have to first use the hair mask. So hair mask I keep for around 30 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes is what they suggest. You don't have to take too much of the hair mask. You can see I've used it for quite a number of times now. So this is halfway through. Just take the product and massage it in your scalp and leave it for 30 minutes, and after that you do the shampoo, use the shampoo, and you then do the conditioner. And for shampoo and conditioner, it's just this much amount is needed. Obviously you will not get any lather. It superbly cleans your scalp and leaves your hair moisturized. So I think I'm going to use this one entirely and also reorder this product, because right now with this climate and right now during this situation, this is something which is absolutely working for me. I don't know if I get my hand on any other product, but let's see. I just hope that this one I can stick around for some time. Yeah, so these were the products that I wanted to show you guys and just share an honest opinion on the products. These are, by the way, all bought by me with my own money. To share this with you so that if you guys are going ahead and purchasing any of this may be of any use to you guys. So that's it for today, and I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself and I'll see you next time. Bye.